Rukmini, studying in class 5. We are going to showcase how today's communication got its best shape. Come, let's watch.
May I know what these things are used for? We want to know about these things. Can you explain in detail?
Yeah, sure. Today, what means for communication will you use? To wish your friend.
We use WhatsApp to communicate with ease today.
But think about in olden days, without any tools and technology, how humans' communication was existed. Early humans drew, painted stories of they saw to communicate. Later they used loud sound made by drums. Do you know? Pigeons were our first postal services.
But Grandpa, how they send secret signals to someone far away?
Use smoke signals to send secret signals to each other. Post office accessible for the common man. With the invention of telegraph machine, messages could be transmitted using the Morse code. That's the next invention that was invented by Sir Alexander Graham Bell.
Grandpa, it was telephone. Am I right?
Yes, you are right. Next, the invention of the radio. People who didn't learn to read and write also got used to it.
Internet, it is a major source of information and knowledge in today's world. From 1990, wireless mobile phones, portable telephones help the people stay in touch with each. From CE 1999, we started using smartphones.
Yes, we couldn't imagine our world without these smartphones. Geeta, have you heard about the whistling village? A form of whistled Turkish used to communicate across these deep valleys.
Wonderful method of communication. Communication leads to community, that is to understanding, intimacy and mutual value. So let's use this powerful tool wisely. Thank you.
Namaste to all. Today to go anywhere with one touch solution. We use Google Maps for place to reach. Let us see about the latitude and longitude which help us to locate the places easily on the earth. Have you ever wondered how the location or position is any place is determined?
Let me explain this. How it looks so an or F looks like an orange. It is spherical from the sides and flat at the top and bottom. The latitude and longitudes are invisible lines that help us identify a place. The geometrical and coordinates an easy way to remember the orientation. That is that latitudes are lateral lines and longitudes are so long.
Latitude line circle the globe in east-west direction. It measures how far north or south is specific point lines.
Now, the longitudinal lines run from the North Pole to the South Pole. It measures how far east to west a point lies from the prime meridian.
Namaste, I am Gokulashni of 5B. I am going to explain about coordinates of New York and London. New York coordinates 40.71 degree north, 74.00 degree west. London coordinates 51.50 degree north, 0.12 degree west.
Steps involved in election process.
Hi Papa, where are you coming from?
I went for voting. Today is election, my dear.
Election means what, Dad?
Election is a process. By this process, we will choose our leader. Last week, did you remember some political leaders came our house with bit of paper like this to vote for their symbol?
Dad?
This process is known as campaigning.
Yes, I understand now.
This is only one process. Before that, the election date are announced by the Election Commission of India. The next second process, the interested candidates can nominate themselves. Then, speech is the third process.
That is campaigning. Am I right, Dad? Then what is fourth process?
Today, I went to cast my voting. This day is voting day. I went to polling booth with my voter ID. See, this is mandatory.
Can I get this voter ID for me?
Not now, you will get later. Then we go to EVM machine for casting our vote. EVM is electronic voting machine. Black mark on my index finger will be placed for those who cast their vote. Once voting is completed, all the EVM machines are sealed properly and kept safely in counting booth. Will a day planned for counting all votes registered in the EVM machine will be counted. At last, the winner is declared.
Election is a power to make a difference. So, we need to vote when we get a chance.
Namaste children. Do you know? We conducted virtual voting for class 5 students to elect their class leader. They enjoyed a lot. All the steps like announcement of election dates, nomination of candidates, comparing, voting virtually, counting of votes, at last winner announcement was happened virtually. Even winners took oath to serve his duty for their class. We enjoyed it thoroughly and we learnt that yes, election is a power to select a leader of their own choice. Communication is a key factor for close connection between people. So here is a conversation by students. I hope you enjoyed that, how this communication evolved from the past to present days. Of course, imagining the ball as a globe, we learnt how to point a place in earth easily. The clarity to say the location of a place exactly help us to reach the expected destination. So we use to locate places using latitudes and longitudes. Here are the few models done by students. At last but not least, I thank the parents for helping us to make this situation possible for our students to learn everything